Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Begin at the account settings so you act on the right subscription. Navigate to Settings, then Subscriptions or Subscribed Channels. Once there, scan the list and locate the specific channel you intend to remove. This avoids accidental removals. Make sure you're using the correct profile if multiple profiles exist. If you're on mobile, open the app menu first. These first actions set the stage so you won't have to backtrack later. Now you'll perform the core action. Open the channels page directly from your subscriptions list so you target the right item. Locate the subscribed or following button, it's usually highlighted, and click or tap it to toggle the state. Once toggled, a confirmation dialog may appear. Read it to confirm you won't lose other linked data. If there's a secondary menu, 3 dots or gear, use it to find unsubscribe. This ensures the platform updates your feed and notifications correctly. Finish by verifying the channel is gone. Refresh your subscriptions list and check that notifications no longer reference that channel because some platforms delay sync. If the channel still appears, log out and back in or clear the app cache to force an update. This often resolves display caching. If you still cannot remove it, gather screenshots and your account ID, then contact support. One key troubleshooting tip. Try removing the subscription from a different device or browser to determine if the issue is local or server-side.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.